Assalamu alaikum. So today in this video we will discuss regression and correlation and how to analyze the data using regression and correlation in Excel sheet. This is the regression estimated line. So we have to find this regression estimated equation. This is the slope term, this is the intercept term, and this is the correlation equation. Manually we use these equation to find the regression and correlation. So we have a very small sample, that is the traffic density. That's our dependent variable, independent variable, and this is our dependent variable y. That's the accident rate. So let's check that if the traffic is the traffic accident affect the accident or not. Okay, so let's start our analysis. So first we have here data and data analysis tool pack. Okay, now we are need here regression. Okay, so now this is the input y range. Okay, so we need to select our dependent variable, and next we need to select our independent variable. Okay, we need label and we need the residuals and line fit plot. Let's check that the relationship is linear or not. Okay, so now just click OK, and this is our summary value. Okay, here just we have the summary output. We will not discuss the ANOVA because we have very small sample size, so we are not going to check the significance of the data. Look at about the R square, that's our coefficient of determination, which telling that 86% of variation in y because of x, while the adjusted R square is telling that 84% of variation in y because of x. So it means there is a very close relationship between the traffic density and the accident rate. So now let's go towards the intercept term. That's minus. Here is we have minus 12.76. This is our intercept term, and the traffic density x is 0.45968. So let's put these values in our equation. Okay, so this is our equation. We have, this is the point. We have minus 12.76, where the b is the value we have here 0.45968. So just copy this value and I put here this value. Okay, so now the regression estimated equation is ready and we are interpreting our data. So if a unit change in x, so there will be 0.45 change in y. So it's mean that if more accidents, so there will be more traffic density, there will be more accident. But how we will get this evidence? So for this we need the correlation coefficient R. So let's find the correlation coefficient, that what the correlation coefficient is providing. So back we have our data, and that's the data analysis tool pack, and we are here the correlation. Okay, so this is the correlation. We need to select all the data, and as the data is arranged by column wise, if this is row wise, so then you have to click the rows, and labels and outputs. So where you need the output, I need here the output. Okay, now look at here. This is the R value. I just pick this value and I put this value here. Okay, so 9.92. That's actually, it's very close to 1. It's mean that the traffic density and accident rate are highly or strongly positively correlated. So it's mean that more accident, there will be more traffic density. The more accident, less traffic density, there are less traffic accident. So they are very highly correlated. So this is a very short tutorial, a very small sample size for how we can find the regression estimated line for our data in Excel sheet, and how to find the correlation. That's R value. Thank you very much for watching.